Hey guys, it's your boy Dr. Juice here, and I have to get a shot. I have to get a D-tab shot today since I'm going into 8th grade. Well, I've been hearing some stuff online that if you cough while you are getting the shot, it will hurt less. So we are going to experiment if this actually works or not. And just because the internet is a very sketchy place. For all I know, it could be a 4chan troll.
She says it does work. Okay. Just
do
don't jerk around.
Right arm or left arm?
Right arm.
Okay.
Let me not get you.
Scoot that way just a little bit so I can put some stuff here.
Remember, you're not supposed
Try to
to
be really relaxed. I know that's hard.
look at me now at that.
Do I one of those
So you can tell everybody how it's feeling.
Alright. Oh man, I'm so scared.
Oh, don't be.
I'm glad
Look
I
at me.
don't have
Cough.
a shot.
Alright.
I'm glad I don't have to take a shot.
Cough.
It works. I didn't feel a thing.
Are you serious?
I didn't feel a thing.
You ready?
Awesome.
It works.
Okay, look.
3.
Oh my gosh, it works. It is a miracle.
The internet was right.
Okay.
Okay, look at me.
It works.